In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Claude Code free forever. We're going to connect the Claude Code command line tool to free open source models through OpenRouter so you can get coding assistance at no cost. The flow is simple. Install the CLI, create an OpenRouter account and generate an API key. Tell the CLI to use OpenRouter's endpoint. And then run Claude while choosing a free model. I'll walk you through each part and share a few practical pointers so everything works smoothly. First, install Claude Code. This is the CLI tool you will use in your terminal, and it requires Node.js on your machine. If you are on Windows, open PowerShell and run the official install command from Claude.com as shown in the instructions. The installer will add the Claude command to your path so you can invoke it from any terminal. If your terminal can't find the command afterward, close and reopen it, or sign out and back in, so your path refreshes. You can confirm the install by running Claude version. Next, set up your OpenRouter account. Go to OpenRouter AI, create an account, and generate a new API key. This key authenticates your requests and ties them to your account's free access to eligible models. Copy the key and store it somewhere secure. Treat it like a password. Don't share it publicly or commit it to version control. Now configure your environment so the CLI uses OpenRouter instead of Anthropic's default endpoint. In your terminal session, set two environment variables. First, set OpenRouter API key to the key you just created. This tells the CLI how to authenticate with OpenRouter. Second, set Anthropic base URL to https://openrouter.ai/API. That base URL routes the CLI's requests through OpenRouter's API. If you are not seeing the changes take effect, make sure you set these in the same terminal session where you will run Claude. And double-check for typos in the variable names and URL. With that in place, you are ready to run Claude. In your terminal, type Claude to start. When you are prompted to pick a model, select one of the free open-source options available through OpenRouter. From there, use the CLI as you normally would, ask for code completions, refactors, or explanations. And the requests will go through OpenRouter's free models rather than a paid endpoint. If you ever see an error about authorization or an unexpected model, revisit your environment variables and confirm they're still set. That's it. Thanks for watching.